And this is what I love about being part of a community. The right community doesn't just tell you that you belong here. The right community tells you you belong here and there is so much more in you. It doesn't just accept you who you are today, it helps you become who you are capable of becoming. And I think that is especially important for us women because sometimes we become so busy taking care of our families, building our careers, meeting expectations, and taking care of everyone else that we forget to ask ourselves, what else am I capable of? Maybe there's a dream we put on hold. Maybe there's a skill we never explored. Maybe there's a business we are afraid to start. Maybe there's a version of ourselves we haven't met yet. And sometimes the first step is simply having people around us who believe in us that we are enough. So if they can do it, why cannot? But why not me? So that is what the right community can do. It can give us courage when we are afraid, perspective when we doubt ourselves, and encouragement when we feel like giving up. And eventually, something beautiful happens. The voice of the people who believed in us becomes our own voice. At first, they say you can do it. Then one day, we start telling ourselves, yes, I can do this. And that shift from needing someone else to believe in us, finally believing in ourselves, is powerful. So if you're here today and you're still questioning your abilities, you may not see your full potential yet, but that doesn't mean that it isn't there. Sometimes you just need the right people around you to help you see it. And maybe you are one encouraging word away from discovering strength that you never knew you had. So, so I leave you with this question. Has someone ever believed in you um, before you believed in yourself? And if that answer is yes, so remember that person because someone once saw something in you that you couldn't see yet.